The bird's getting closer. It's right above you. And it keeps attacking Bella. Okay. See if the bird attacks her again. Here she goes. Oh, see? It just got her. It's getting her again. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, there it comes again. Look it. It's trying to hit her. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's going to follow her all the way around the...
Oh my gosh. The bird's right up there. It's almost like a game. Think she'll, when she's laying down, will she go get her?
I don't know. She didn't do it yesterday.
It's up there. Okay, there's the bird. Okay. She's not looking at it. Okay. The bird's up in the tree, looking to attack Bella again. Bella has no idea. Okay, there's the bird.
Here it goes.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's the bird. Oh my gosh. Keeps hitting her, huh? And Bella, what does Bella think?
She doesn't know what
She doesn't know what's going on.
But watch. Keep walking.
Okay.
That bird will follow us.
That bird's gonna follow us. That is crazy. It's a bird.
Did you see it?
Yes. Where'd it go?
It's on the swing set.
That is.
Just walk away from
Okay.
the dog nice and slow.
Okay.
It only goes after the dog.
Where's the dog? Like the dog knows. The bird's up there, starting to attack Bella. Is that why Bella's staying near you, you think?